Hello everyone, today in this video we'll talk about the scholarships opportunities in University of Oxford. So let's go and check which scholarships are available. Here we can see that A to Z scholarship in University of Oxford. The following scholarships are managed by the university student fee and funding team. This list is provided to give an idea of the centrally managed funds that are available to graduate students starting degree in 2024-2025 academic year. You may not be eligible for all the listed scholarships and some may not yet be confirmed. Please open the drop down for each scholarship and further detail. This is so you can see the scholarships here. There are a lot of scholarships. We can just take a look here, and you may not be eligible for all of them. You need to check the requirements criteria here, eligibility criteria of these scholarships. Similarly, China Scholarship Council, you can take a more look about that scholarship here. And now, for example, if we are looking at China Scholarship Council, University of Oxford scholarships, so you can see here closing dates, decision expected, nationality. So this scholarship, you can see this is only for the Chinese student. And what is the coverage of that scholarship is 100% course fee and ground living cost and one return flight from China to UK. How many number of awardees is up to 20. So yeah, this is how you can check the eligibility criteria. And you must be start a new full-time course at Oxford, and you must be national of an ordinary resident in China, including Hong Kong. Or so yeah, you can be not including Hong Kong. Okay, you must also be intended to return to China once your course is completed. That's how you can check the eligibility criteria of these scholarships. We can take a look further about the scholarships. Yeah, so these are all the scholarships available, and you can take a look one by one in which scholarship you are eligible to apply, and then you can apply to that scholarship. You can take a look about Felix scholarships. And so this scholarship is for India or low income countries. The coverage of scholarship is this, and there will be 6 number of awardees. So these scholarships are very competitive. It's not easy to secure these scholarships. And this one is so yeah, this scholarship is eligible to all international or national students here. Oxford Burman Graduate Scholarship, you can see here all eligible applicants will be considered for that scholarship regardless of which college you state as your preference of graduate application. However, successful applicant will be transferred to university college in order to take the scholarship. You can apply for that scholarship, Oxford Burman Graduate Scholarship. So this scholarship will cover the course fee and provide a grant for living cost. Awards are made for the full duration of your fee liability for agreed course. So yeah, after here you can apply application. How do I start, and application guide and everything. Okay, and then you can take a look here. After you will apply, then decision time, accommodation, arrival, and applicants surveys, everything is available here. And if you will have any question related to that scholarship, Oxford University scholarships, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then kindly guys subscribe to our channel. Take care, and yeah, I wish you best of luck. Bye bye.